Hi everyone, it's Ray from Babco. I'd like to talk about tuning cables on a 2-post. The cables are equalizers. They don't do any lifting. The cylinders are lifting. The cables equalize. One starts there, one starts there. They terminate at each other, so they just give and take, basically. What that does is, when this thing runs hydraulically, these two cylinders can't possibly be identical. The cables make them such. So one comes there, one comes there. So they terminate at the top here. So as you lift it up, if this one here is clicking last, let's say, it comes up and it goes click, click, you'll notice a couple of things. Not just that audible warning there, but it'll come up and it'll lift one side of the car first, and then when you set it onto locks, it'll drop one first and then the other. It seems very unstable, and it is. Now you finish your work, you want to bring the car down. When you do it again, this side here comes up, this side comes last. What you do is you go up to an adjustment up here, and you take some vice grips at the finial, it's 1 1/16, and you crank it up until the one that's lower comes up. You can do it by the sound of the locks. I like doing it with a car on there. It's a little awkward, but it's still you get a true reading that way. It comes up, you hear tick tock, tighten that cable until you get a tick at the same time. You do that often, and first of all, it's a whole lot safer. The cables will also last a lot longer, because if it's not equal, one cable is asked to do something that it really shouldn't be doing, and it'll stretch out.